In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly link your PayPal account to your eBay account for smoother transactions. First things first, let's make sure you're logged into your eBay account. If you're not already signed in, head over to eBay's homepage and click on the Sign In button at the top right. Enter your credentials, and once you're in, you're ready for the next step. Now, you'll want to navigate towards your account settings where you'll have access to manage your payment methods. To get there, look towards the top right corner of the screen again. Next to the My eBay section, a drop-down menu may appear, or you may need to click on your account name. This depends slightly on your view. Move through this menu until you find Account Settings. This is your personal hub on eBay, where you can control and customize many aspects of your account. Once you're in the account settings, you'll find a section labeled Payments. Go ahead and click on that. This section is crucial, as this is where you manage how you pay and get paid on eBay. Here, we're going to add a new payment method by linking your PayPal account. This linking process is vital because it enables quicker transactions, avoiding the hassle of inputting payment details each time. On the payment page, you're looking for an option that says Add PayPal Account. When you find it, click on it to begin linking your account. Now you'll need to enter your PayPal email address. This is the email associated with your PayPal account. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any errors. Double check if necessary. After inputting your email, you will see an option to authorize the connection between these two accounts. Authorizing is an essential step. It allows eBay and PayPal to communicate securely. Sometimes right after you authorize, you might be prompted to log into your PayPal account to confirm the link. If this happens, don't worry, it's a standard security procedure. Simply enter your PayPal credentials, then navigate through their prompts to finalize the link. And that's all there is to it. By confirming this link, you've successfully connected your PayPal account to your eBay account. This integration will enable you to perform transactions smoothly and securely, providing a hassle-free experience whether you're buying or selling. So thank you for following along with this guide. Remember to keep your account information secure and log out when you're done, especially if you're on a public computer. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your eBay experience. See you next time.